भाई चैतन्य निताय सुदृढ़ विश्वास कोरी विषय छाड़िया सिर से माझिया मुखे बोलो हरि हरि देखो रे भाई त्रिभुवने नाई ए मन दयाल दाता देखो रे भाई त्रिभुवने नाई हे मन दयाल दाता पशु पक्षी जोरे पाषाण विदर सुनी जार गुण गाथा संसारे मजिया रहिले पड़िया से पदे नहिल आशा संसारे मजिया रहिले पड़िया से पदे नहिल आशा अपन बुझाए शमन कोहि लोचन दासा आपन करम बुझाए शमन कोहि लोचन दासा परम करुणा बहुदुई जन निताय गौर चंद्र निताय गौर चंद्र निताय गौर चंद्र हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 रामा राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 रामा राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा माता जी
Krishna, thank you so
Hare
much,
Krishna.
Mataji.
थैंक यू माता हरे कृष्णा माता जी दिव्य प्रणाम
Hari bol Mataji, Dandavat Pranam. I'm very happy to see you.
हरे
Hari
कृष्णा
bol.
माता जी
Thank
हरे
you so
कृष्णा
much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
थैंक यू माता जी हरे कृष्णा
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare
धन्यवाद।
Krishna, everyone. Welcome back to the 16th day of this Bhagavad Gita 18 days class. So we are left with only 2 more classes. So we are already in 16th day. Yes, anyone can put it in your own words. What was like the discussion about yesterday's chapter? Anyone would like to share? You're thinking. It was so sweet, a small little chapter, only 20 shlokas. What did we understand yesterday? Krishna revealed us some secret, right? What was that secret? Any idea? People can hear me. Hari bol Mataji. Thank you.
ग्रेट माता जी ब्यूटीफुल
Hari bol. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mataji. Yes, what happened? Why no one is talking today? Oh my God. 2 more minutes. I still have 2 minutes for the
Krishna
class.
Mataji, I have missed 2 classes. So,
Oh, Anjali Mataji.
yeah.
Okay. Because of Shankranti, the festival?
Yeah.
I hope you had a good time, Mataji. You can see the YouTube video like which
Yeah, I
we
have
will.
to see that. That's why I could not comment or say anything.
Okay, Mataji, it's okay. This time it's okay.
I know.
Haribol, Haribol. What about others? Why no one is talking? Haribol. Now I should choose someone. Like I would choose Ricky
Hare
Prabhu and
Krishna
made him speak.
Mataji.
Hare
Unfortunately,
Krishna.
even I
I
missed
know
two
Mataji.
classes.
You missed.
Mataji, I was
You.
traveling because
I know, I
that's
know.
it.
You also missed.
Yes,
Whom shall
Mataji.
I ask? Tejaswini Mataji. You never speak in the class. Hare Krishna, Tejaswini Mataji. If you're comfortable, can you speak? Can you tell me? We just have 1 minute. No, Tejaswini Mataji is not there. Sarita Mataji.
Hare
No.
Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, in last session, it was told that Krishna is Purushottama, the supreme
Yes.
personality of Godhead,
Yes.
and he's everywhere in everything.
Haribol. Sarita Mataji, why you did not say before you wanted me to call your name? So sweet. Yes,
Actually,
Tejaswini
I didn't
Mataji.
attend, but I watched the YouTube link.
Wow, so sweet of you. Thank you. Tejaswini Mataji has put a
Hare
message.
Krishna.
Purushottama is Lord. Haribol, Haribol. From reading Veda, what we have to know, what is the essence of Veda? What is the essence of Veda?
By chanting and bhakti, will get the same result as reading Veda.
Yes. So what is in Veda? What you have to come
Which
to
is,
know after reading Veda?
in that we have to know that Krishna is the supreme personality.
Yeah, exactly. Wonderful. That was a secret revealed, isn't it? The most confidential knowledge of the Vedas was Sri Krishna as the Purushottama. He is the
Hare Krishna.
Purushottama. Haribol, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So he is the fire, yeah, in our stomach, which digests the food. He is the air, which will help us to survive, yeah. It helps to digestion, and it is the main reason for us to live, right? Yeah, so he gives the moonlight to us, isn't it? Yeah, everything Krishna so beautifully explained in previous chapter. Today we'll go to the 16th chapter. We'll start with pranama mantra. Om namo bhagavate vasudevaya. Om namo bhagavate vasudevaya. Om namo bhagavate vasudevaya. Taking the blessings of my Shiksha Guru, His Grace Namanishta Dasa, and my Guru Maharaj. नमा ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामिनिति नामिने नाम आचार्यपादाय नितैकृपप्रदायिने गौरकथा धामदया नगरग्रामतारिणे नमा ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कथामयं ददाति स्वपदानितं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णा चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्णा करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कान्ता राधा कान्ता नमोऽस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुवय एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः जयो श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द Let's chant together. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
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 Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Rama, Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Hare
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Krishna
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 Krishna, Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama, Hare Hare. Hari Bol, Hari Bol. So, for the pleasure of Sri Sri Radha Govinda, we will start today's chapter, chapter number 16. Yeah. Whenever it comes to us, we always think we are right. Whatever situation, whatever we do, we are very, very pious to ourselves. Yeah, we think we are very innocent, and by chance, if we do something wrong, we always, convince ourselves that there was a very strong reason for us to act like that. Yeah, do some mistake or something wrong. Yeah, we are, very kind to ourselves, but someone is in front of us and they do even a little thing, we will shout. We never forgive, or forgiving is very difficult. Yeah, you might have seen, if you throw something and break, we will like, it's okay, we'll simply take it and keep it. If someone just throws it, even if it doesn't break, we'll like scream, what are you doing? We do that, right? So, as we know, this last 6 chapters of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is giving us the knowledge. So why we need this knowledge? Because by this knowledge we can know Krishna better. Yeah, we can understand him. Faith develops, and we can do devotional service without any doubt. Isn't it? That's the beauty of Krishna's knowledge, the knowledge and instructions which he is giving to us. Now, let's know about ourselves, whether we have the divine nature or the demonic nature. Daiva, Asura. Daiva means divine, Asura means demonic. Yeah. Sampat Vibhaga Yoga. Which Sampat we have? Which is the opulences. Yeah. Which Krishna has, all the opulences. So we also have that opulences. Yeah. But so one or two things are more in us, which Krishna can control, we cannot control. But by practice, we can control it. Hari Bol. Someone's mic is on. Hare Krishna. Yes. Yes, Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhihi Jnana Yoga Vyavastitihi Danam Dhammascha Yajnascha Swadhyayastapa Arjavam Ahimsa Satya Akrodaha Tyagakshantirapaishunam Daya Bhuteshvaloluptvam Mardavam Hrirachapalam Tejakshamaadhriti Saucham Adroho Natimanitha Bhavanti Sampadam Daivi Abhijatasya Bharata. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. The Supreme Personality of God is said fearlessness. So we need not fear about anything. Why you will fear usually? Why do we have fear? Why do we have fear? Any idea? Krishna is telling us fearlessness. This is one of the character about whom we'll come to know later. Fearlessness. Are we having fear?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Why do we have fear?
Due to attachment.
Due to attachment, yes. We have fear. If you want something, whether I'll get it or not, we have a fear. Once you get it, whether it will be with me or not, that will be a fear. Yeah. But the chances of it losing is fear. Yeah. Can I keep it for a long time? That would be a fear. One or the other thing, we are attached to fear. But how can we be fearless? How is it possible? Can we stay fearless in this body? Is it possible?
As long as body is there, fear will be there, hopefully.
Sorry, Prabhuji, Pradeep Prabhuji, come again.
I think as long as body is there, the fear will be there.
Fear will be there. Yes, yes. But Krishna said us, no, when we follow this devotional service, in this body, in this life only we can be happy. When fear is there, we can never be happy, right? So it means we can stay fearless. What could be the reason for all of us to be fearless?
We have to elevate ourselves to that level That surrendering everything to the God. Then fear also to the God.
Have
Here also
faith.
you said. Yes, Mataji, have faith in Krishna.
Have faith in Krishna.
Yes, there is usually we have this kind of messages everywhere, right? Which Krishna has told that only others are telling in a simple form, or they are expanding without quoting Krishna. Yeah, so they say, don't tell your problem that you are scared, tell your problem that you have Krishna. Yeah, yes. So Krishna is all powerful. Yeah, he is the master of everything and everyone, and he is the controller of everything. Yeah, as I already gave an example, I think during question and answer session I told you there was a girl, the sweet little girl. She was sitting in a in a aeroplane, and suddenly there was lot of turbulence, right? And everyone was screaming, but this girl was very calm and she was just playing with a toy. And the passenger next to her was very curious and asked, why, how come you're so calm? You should cry. We are all so fearful. So she tells, my father is the pilot. He's the captain for this flight, and he knows that I am in this flight. He will never harm me. Yeah. So when you know Krishna is there, and when you have complete faith, as Mataji said, you have complete faith on Krishna, there is nothing for us to be fear, having any fear, scared of anything, because he is there. He knows what is best for us. And when we are dependent on him, there is no way he'll never protect us. He'll always be with us. Yeah. He told Arjuna, declare, Arjuna, that my devotees never perish. Yes, never perish. So the faith in Krishna is very important. Purification of one's existence. So we are living like an animal. We and animal have no difference, because we also eat, sleep, mate, and protect ourselves. Animals are also doing. We are doing it little in a different level, which we feel we are doing very special. But at last we are doing same as animal. But you should understand, we got this human body not just to live a life of an animal. Yeah, animal body. There is something special for this human body, and you should understand it and purify your existence and use it for the service of Lord. Cultivation of spiritual knowledge, very important. We all have material knowledge, which is going to be permanent and will bring us back to this Dukkalaya Ashashwatam. This place is temporary. It is going to put us back here. But spiritual knowledge is very important for us to get out of this material world. Charity, self-control, this is very important. Yeah, self-control is very, very important. So Krishna has already said to us, you can make your mind your friend or your enemy. The one who has their mind as friend, for them liberation is an easy path. That is what Krishna has informed us. Performance of sacrifice. So what is the sacrifice prescribed for Kali Yuga?
Chanting of Mahamantra.
Yes, Saroja Mataji, chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, study of the Vedas, austerity. So you take up, for example, we have Purushottam Mas is there, we have Chaturmas. Yeah, you have to do one or the other austerity depending upon your bodily condition. Simplicity, yes. Non-violence. I had already discussed about non-violence. Anyone remembers what is this non-violence? Does anyone remember?
Not hurting others with words or actions. Not killing other animals.
Yes, Mataji, that's a material one. Spiritual one, what is non-violence? If anyone could recall, I had told you this, explained you few days before.
Eating only vegetarian food, Mataji. Avoiding that four principles. One of the.
That's a part of, but actually what is non-violence? Prabhupada says very beautifully. Yeah, see, if you give a person food, money, shelter, medicine, anything which is materialistic, it's going to never give that person a relief. If you give food to him for a few days, again he'll feel hungry. If you give him money, he needs more money. If you cure a disease for him by giving him medicine, again he'll get a disease. Yeah, and death is there for sure. You give him cloth tomorrow or day after tomorrow, it will become old. You have to get him a new one. Yes, Tejaswini Mataji, absolutely right. So they are suffering in this material world. We know the way to take them out of this material world. We know the route, we know the secret how to go out of this material world. We know there is another world wherein this birth, death, old age, and disease is not there. Yeah, and you don't tell them this thing, this path, this secret, this route, then it's violence. You're seeing them suffer and we are just simply sitting. You tell the route, whether they'll take it or no, it's left to them. It's written in their fate. Okay, when Krishna decides, when the person is fit to be eligible to take that path, he'll take it. Now, today or tomorrow, he'll take it. But what is our duty? Just to inform them. See, this is the path to go. Yeah, and you are seeing them, they're struggling, and you don't reveal the secret to them, then it is violence. Yeah, yes, as Mataji said, other things what she mentioned also is violence. So we should follow non-violence, truthfulness, freedom from anger, which is very difficult for all of us, isn't it? A renunciation. What you should renunciate? Should we renunciate the work we do?
The results. The
The
results are coming.
results, yes. Renunciation,
Actions,
yes,
fruits of the action.
exactly. Renunciation is not that you should not work. You can stay in your family, you can stay in the place where you are, and you should just renunciate the results of your work. Yeah, that person is called Nitya Sannyasi, who doesn't desire for any results, and when the results come, he doesn't hate it. Hate, not hate it, hate. Yeah, both the things. Yes, tranquility. I mean, you should be always calm, never get scared, no fear. Yeah, whatever happens, calmness, aversion to fault finding. Yeah, so we are very, very, very expert, highly qualified people to find fault in others. But when it comes to us, we are very, very, very pleasing people. We don't find fault in us at all. We always stand in finding fault in others. So it's very important, as Krishna has said, hmm, instead of pointing out others' fault, tell them what is right. Yeah, we keep on scolding. There are so many experiments, no? If you talk, like you hurt a plant, you talk some words which could be very, mean to the plants and all, no, they die. There are so many experiments done. Yeah, so they are also living entity. Similarly, human beings also, if you keep on finding fault and saying you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong, that person will never get an option to change. Yeah, instead of that, you have to tell them what is right. When they don't listen, don't worry, you lead that life, you be an example. Yeah, you be an example and show them, yes, you can live like this. Yes, you can be a best example. Yes, then compassion for all living entities. How can we show compassion for all living entities? How is this possible?
Being kind to everybody.
If you can
How you
see,
can be kind?
if you can witness, see the Lord in every entity, God.
Yes, Pradeep Prabhuji. When we really see, when do we really see? When we see Lord as Paramatma in everyone's heart, we see everyone equally. Yes. Freedom from covetousness. So, covetousness means what? Like, something which belongs to someone and you want it. And means it's not like simply you want it, you strongly, like I want it, like Ravana wanted Sita Mata. Same way. Yes, you should not have such kind of character. You should be gentle, modesty, everything should be in moderate. Yeah, steady determination. Yeah, today I could not chant 8 rounds, no problem. Tomorrow I will chant the 8 rounds plus the rounds which are left today. Today I attended Bhagavad Gita class. Tomorrow chances are less, but still I'll make sure I will attend. Steady determination, that should be there. If you're lazy, you're in which guna? If you're lazy, you're in which guna?
Ignorance.
Tamasaguna.
Oh, guna, yes. Then you will become
Tamasic.
exactly. So you should have that steady determination, vigor, means what? Effort. Yeah, you should be like, having a lot of effort. You should have enthusiasm. You should be ready to work. Liveliness. You should maintain this body, because this body is helping us to do devotional service. Please note that in the heavenly planets, in the hellish planets, you cannot do devotional service. Only on the earth you can do devotional service. So please maintain your body healthy. Yeah, not so that you want to look beautiful, people need to praise you. No, maintain this body, have a good health such that you can serve the Lord. You're maintaining the body for the Lord. You're keeping your health good for the Lord, not for you. Yeah, that is also one of the important tasks. Forgiveness. Yes, Krishna already said in Bhagavad Gita, in whatever position you are, whatever kind of sin you have done, sins which could never be forgiven, even though you take up this Krishna consciousness, immediately, swiftly they will be delivered. When Krishna himself is forgiving people, who we are, we are so small in front of him. Who we are not to forgive. Yeah, forgiveness, fortitude, means even in any condition, whether it is very sorrowful, painful condition, you need to be having that courage. Yes, I remember Pandavas. So this one, Kunti Devi, after everything, Krishna asked, what do you want, Kunti? So what she told, Krishna, please give me difficulties, problems in my life. Why? She's asking problems in her life?
So that she remembers Krishna all the time.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, we know we are like very special characters. If anything wrong happens or anything painful or things go against our desires or wish, we will like run to Krishna, God. Yeah, we have a saying in Kannada, Kashta Bandaga, Venkataramana. Yeah, when you have, problems, you'll think of God. So, Kunti Devi is that requesting Krishna, please give me a lot of problems. Let me always have problems in my life, because I'll remember you. Yeah, I'll remember you without deviation. Yeah, always fixed mind. Yeah, that's very, very important for all of us. Yeah, cleanliness. Yes, outer. Yeah, yes. Outer body, how do you clean? Taking bath. Inner body, I mean inside, the soul, how do we clean? By
Japa.
chanting. Yes, Mataji. And freedom from envy. Ah, he has it. And then I also should have. Yeah. How does he has or she has? They don't deserve it. I deserve it. Envy is not good. Krishna told, whoever is envious of me can never know me. They can never understand me. They cannot know we are the soul. They don't know how the soul transfers from one body to another body. They cannot see me as I am. They cannot do devotional service. So envy is not good thing. And from the passion of honor, yes, we all strive for this. Yeah, if I'm doing some activity or any kind of action, I want people to honor me. Yeah, Krishna is watching us. Yeah, humans may see us properly or may not see. So the chances are there they may honor us or dishonor us. But Krishna, the one who is seeing us, even when we are sleeping also, he knows us, he's seeing us. He knows what is happening with us every second, every millisecond, he knows it. He knows what should be given to you. But what we are doing, we are expecting the honor from the people around. We want their certification. We want them to praise us. We want them to make us feel the best. Yeah, so here Krishna is telling freedom from envy and from the passion for honor. So we desire for honor, we should not desire it. So these transcendental qualities, O son of Bharata, belongs to godly men endowed with divine nature. So from fearlessness till freedom from the passion of honor, if you have all these things, okay, then you are a person having divine nature or a godly man. Yes, yes, Teju Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
दम्भो दर्पोऽभिमानश्च क्रोधः पारुष्यमेव च अज्ञानं चाभिजातस्य पार्थ सम्पदमासुरीम्.
Hare Krishna. I spent so much of time to tell what is godliness, isn't it? Divine nature. And see this demonic nature: arrogance, pride, anger, conceit, harshness, ignorance. That's it. Yeah, if you have this much, these qualities belong to those of demonic nature, which we all have, isn't it? We already have. We have divineness also, we have demonic nature also. We have both. So, how to become divine? How to become divine? Any idea?
By completely surrendering to Lord Krishna and
Entering into
Yes,
devotional service.
By chanting.
By
yes,
controlling our mind.
Doing devotional
yes,
service.
By remembering him,
yes.
always at every moment, remembering him.
Remember, no, these characteristics, what Krishna said, is for the people who have divine nature. Don't you think we have these things? We also have this demonic nature, also, isn't it? Both are there in us.
Yes.
We have to
How
try to
can we?
increase divine nature.
Exactly, Sarita Mataji. We have both the natures. We have these qualities in us. We have arrogance, we have pride, we have anger, and we have like excessive pride also. Like, about ourselves, that is conceit. We are very, very proud of ourselves. Yeah. Harshness is there in us, ignorance is there. And whatever Krishna said in the shloka 1 to 3, we have almost all of that. But what is happening? What is more in us and what is less in us is very, very important. You have anger, reduce it slowly, bring it down. You have harshness, try to eliminate it. Yeah, don't have it as a character. By practice, we can bring ourselves to a stage where the divine nature in us is like dominant, whereas this demonic nature is completely gone, or at least you slowly suppress it little bit. One day you will come to the stage where you are full of divine nature and the demonic nature is reduced. Of course, without Krishna's will, these things never happen. Krishna will give us the knowledge, he'll give us the remembrance, he'll give us the forgetfulness. So whenever you are pride of you and do Krishna's service, yeah, Krishna has told, no, he'll give forgetfulness. So the pride what you have, you'll forget. You'll understand, I'm nothing. Yeah, I did nothing. What Krishna did in front of him, I'm nothing. What Krishna's devotee do, we are nothing. You should come to the temple. When you go to ISKCON temple, the devotees will be doing so much of service. And when we go there and we see, what am I doing? I'm not doing any service at all. You should see how nicely some people go to the temple, they stay there and serve for 6 months. They leave the job for 6 months, they take a break of 1 year, something like that. And we will go for one day and see that I was thinking I was doing a lot of devotional service. These people are doing more than me. Yeah. So what happens? By practice and serving Krishna, we can slowly, eliminate these demonic nature in us and cultivate and slowly progress to develop the divine nature. It is possible. The transcendental qualities are conducive to liberation, whereas the demonic qualities make for bondage. So if you have these demonic qualities, you are bound to this material world. But if you gradually develop the transcendental qualities, that is Daivi Sampad, the divine nature, then you are eligible to be liberated. Do not worry, O son of Pandu, for you are born with the divine qualities. So that is why Arjuna was chosen to hear Bhagavad Gita. That is why Krishna told Arjuna, you're my friend, you're my devotee, you're not envious of me. And that is why one after the other he is revealing the secrets. Yes, so if you want to know Krishna, if you want to, leave this material world and go to Krishna, then yes, we need to develop the divine qualities. O son of Pritha, in this world there are two kinds of created beings. One is called divine and the other demonic. I have already explained to you at the length the divine qualities. Now hear from me the demonic. Yes, Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Pravritim cha nivritim cha janana vidhur asuraha na shaucham na pichacharaha na satyam teshu vidyate. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol. Those who are demonic do not know what is to be done and what is not to be done. Why? Why do they not know to do anything? What they should do and what they should not do? What is the reason? Anyone?
They're
Any guess?
ignorant, Mataji.
Exactly,
Ignorant,
they're
Mataji.
ignorant. Yes, Mataji. They don't have knowledge. Yeah, they have pride in themselves. They think they are only the heroes, they are the controllers, isn't it? How will they know? They don't know what is knowledge. They don't know knowledge. So of course they don't have intelligence. So they will do whatever they like and they consume that, oh yes, this is right. Whatever I do itself is right. This is how it should be done. Neither cleanliness nor proper behavior nor truth is found in them. They say that this world is unreal, asatyam. They tell this world is jagat. This world is unreal, that there is no foundation and that there is no God in control. Yeah, you might have seen people say that, just like that, this universe came, just like that, something happened, just like that, it came. Yeah, they don't think there is someone behind. If you want to create something, like they invent something, they find out something which is already existing, which was not known to us, you just bring it out and show. Yeah, and you say that, wow, I did it, I invented it. Yeah, but when it comes to this entire world, we say that there is no one. It is like that. It came into existence like that itself. Yeah, it is produced of sex, desire, and has no cause other than lust. So many of you were telling me last time in the question answer session, Mataji, they'll tell it's only for us to enjoy here and go. Yeah, only enjoy. Yes, the proud atheist say these things only. What is this world? It is only for sex desire. You have sex desire, then this world is going to be filled with people and people and people, and you have a lot of people. Same thing goes to all lives, not only humans. That is what they think, and has no cause other than lust. Yeah, you have lot of desires to that extent, excessive desires, it turns into lust, then only you have this world. If not, you won't have it. Following such conclusions, the demonic, who are lost to themselves, and who have no intelligence, engage in unbeneficial, horrible works meant to destroy the world. We have so many examples, isn't it? The people who were proud of themselves, who were feeling that they are the one controlling, they are the one who has all the power. What they did at the end, they have harmed this world. They destroyed to the world, isn't it? Yes. The demonic, taking the shelter of insatiable lust, pride, and false prestige, and being thus illusioned, are always sworn to unclean work. So as you see, To become a divine person, you should have so much of characteristics, isn't it? But if you want to become a demon, it's very easy. Just few characteristics you develop, you're already a demon. That is why people choose the easy path. Yeah, they'll think, to being good is very difficult, not possible. Let me be bad. Yes. So what happens? They always want to unclean work, attracted by the impermanent, that is this material world. They believe that to gratify the senses unto the end of life is the primary necessity of human civilization. There is a saying again, they see they what they say, even you can take loan and eat nicely. There is a saying again in my mother tongue, sala madadradru tuppa tini, means take a loan, buy ghee and eat. Means whatever happens, eat today and enjoy, even though you're taking money from someone and bringing that ghee and eating delicious food, like
That
in
is
that sense.
Charbak philosophy, madam. Actually,
Exactly.
Runam Krutya Gusam Pibet.
Yeah, Charavak
Exactly.
Sampradaya.
Yeah, what they do, their goal itself is to gratify the senses. Yeah, that is only the primary necessity. Just enjoy and live. This is only life. Enjoy nicely. Who knows, you'll get a life later. Enjoy nicely. Do all the things you like and live. Yes. Thus, there is no end to their anxiety, because they're desiring to please the senses, one after the other, one after the other. Okay, once they'll get something, they'll think this is happiness, and they'll not get satisfied. They'll go back of another thing, thinking that is happiness. They'll not be satisfied. Again, they'll sometimes, if they get satisfied also, they'll get bored of that. I'm bored of this happiness, I want something else. They'll go for another thing. So they're full of anxiety, being bound by hundreds and thousands of desires. By lust and anger, they secure money by illegal means for sense gratification. So the people who have demonic nature, they will have illicit relationship. Yeah, they'll have relationships just to please their body. Gambling, yeah, intoxication and meat eating. That is why, if you remember the sadhana bhakti, what Krishna said, yeah, if you cannot do ananya bhakti, the second choice was you can do sadhana bhakti by following regulative principles. So ISKCON, our acharyas and all have given to us that we should follow this 4 regulative principles: no illicit sex, no gambling, no meat eating, and no intoxication. So if you don't do these things, then it is very easy for us to suppress all the demonic qualities and develop by association with the devotees, by taking shelter of the guru, acharyas, develop our divinic nature. Yes. So now what we are happening, like our senses are attached to everything, and the soul inside is shocked. You remember that cart where we have 5 horses, right? So you are sitting in this body, which is a car. You can consider it as a car. Yeah. And if the steering is not proper, it goes in all the direction. How can you be happy? Yes, similarly, the 5 horses are attracted to one or the other thing in the material world. You inside sitting, the soul, will never have a peaceful traveling. Yes, the demonic person thinks, so much wealth do I have today, and I will give more. I will gain more accordingly to my schemes. So much is mine now, and it will increase in the future more and more. He is my enemy, and I have killed him, and my other enemy will also be killed. I am the Lord of everything. I am the enjoyer. I am perfect, powerful, and happy. I am the richest man, surrounded by aristocratic relatives. There is none so powerful and happy as I am. I shall perform sacrifices. I shall give some charity, and thus I shall rejoice. In this way, such persons are deluded by ignorance. Yeah, you might have seen the people who are doing so much of crime. Now also you can see those people. What they do some charities. They perform, they performs big yagnas. Yeah, and they think, okay, I've done so much of bad things, let me do some charity. Yeah, everything will get nullified. Yeah, if you think like that and do, what do you think? The Lord is not seeing us? You think Lord is not intelligent than us? We got intelligence only little bit from him. He is all intelligent. Yeah, so we have the example of Hiranyakashipu. Yeah, Kamsa, Ravana. Yeah, you take Kamsa. Kamsa, he sent the demons to kill Krishna. Just 2 days of Krishna's birth, he sent so many demons, one after the other. They were all killed. Still, Kamsa did not understand that Krishna is not a normal kid. He still at the end fought with Krishna himself. Just understand how much ignorance he had. Yeah, with so many powerful demons being killed by Krishna, if he was intelligent, he would have realized, come on, this boy is not a normal boy. Yeah, when so many demons are killed, he will surely kill me. He didn't even realize it. We are also saying, we have all the stories, we have seen people around us who have done bad things and suffered, yeah, and good things, who are always protected by the Lord. We have so many ancestors. Yeah, you have Prahlad Maharaj, you have Pandavas, you have Sita Maya, you have Hanuman, you have Draupadi, one or two to give an example about the people who always develop divine nature and protected by the God. And if you still you're ignorant and think, no, 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 Krishna will not see me, no, 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 I will be forgiven, then we are at the demonic end itself. Krishna will forgive you when you surrender to Krishna and no more do the wrong things. You're no more ignorant. You do bad things and you chant, and again you do bad things and again you chant, then no use. No use, it's of no use. Thus, perplexed by various anxieties and bound by a network of illusions, one becomes too strongly attached to sense enjoyment and falls down into hell. So once you're attached to your senses, your mind is going to go crazy and your intelligence is of no use and you can never be happy. You will be going to the hell. Yes. So what will happen if you drink? Means that you take all toxic components which you should not take. What happens in the hell? They'll pour this hot molten metal which has been melted into our mouth. Yeah, and if you have illicit sex, what happens? They'll make you to hug a metal feature, like which is burning hot. And the body, what we get when we go to hell, the characteristics will be like that. Now in the body what we have, you just take a pen and prick whatever you get the pain, the pain in the body of the hell, when you go, it will be 100 times. So the pain you get in this body will be equal to 100 times in the body what we get when we go to hell. So they'll make us to suffer. We'll be crying and we'll be taking up so much of punishment. If you go for gambling, they cut our parts of our body with hot iron. And if you have meat eating, what they do has, we cook them, boil them, fry them. So similarly we will be cooked in the boil or fried in the hot oil. Yeah, these are there. So if you want more details, you can read Bhagavatam and also Garuda Purana. Bewildered by false ego, strength, pride, lust and anger, the demon becomes envious of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Yeah, so why a person becomes envious? Here is the answer. We are bewildered by false ego, strength, pride, lust and anger. The demon. So if you are envious of Krishna, then you are a demon. Who is telling? Krishna himself. Yeah, who is situated in his own body and in the bodies of other and blasts against the real religion. Anyone knows who is this person in the picture?
Shishupala Mataji?
Shishupala, very good, Teju Mataji. What happens, no? His mother, Shishupala's mother, knows that her son will be killed by Krishna only. So once she knows that, she will go to Krishna and tell, See, Krishna, even though my son does any kind of mistakes or anything, yeah, anything which you find it as wrong, please, 100 times also if he does it, forgive him. You should never punish him. Yeah, so I just told you, no, Krishna is more intelligent than us. So what happened, whenever Shishupala was doing one or the other thing bad, Krishna was silent. He was not even telling anything to him, no action against him. Yeah, and once there was a yagna performed, and they were thinking of whom to offer the pala of this yagna. You have to offer to someone, no? So everyone was telling, yes, you should offer the yagna to Krishna. See, Bhoktaram. So he is the Bhoktara. Sarva Loka Maheshwaram. He is the one who enjoys everything. So they suggest, you can see Narada Muni is also there. They suggest you should offer to Krishna. And Shishupala came and he started speaking very low about the Lord, and he was, blaspheming them and the religion, the real religion. Yeah, that is Dharma. What is our Dharma? To serve Krishna. So what happened? It was his 101, the 101, the first mistake after that 100 mistake which Krishna agreed to forgive Shishupala. So once he said like that, immediately he sent a Sudarshana Chakra and the neck of Shishupala was cut out. Yes, same way, because of our karma phalas, even though we are doing bad, we might not get caught. Yeah, we might not be scolded, we might be still loved, we might be still praised, we might hold a good position in the society. And some people think, oh, this person is doing so much wrong, but still he's having everything. I am doing so much good, but still I'm suffering. Why should I do good and suffer? I will also do bad and suffer. Yeah, they might be enjoying that punya what they have earned, but once the punya is over, they'll get punished for what all they did. Everyone, you do even little good, you are going to enjoy. Even if you're going to do even a little bad also, you are going to enjoy the results of it. Yeah, for sure, Krishna is keeping the count, not us. Yes, we have this beautiful story, the pastime. Yeah, Maharaja Daksha Prajapati, yeah, he did not invoke Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva is his son-in-law. Yeah, because he was not liking Lord Shiva, he did not call him to one of the yagna he was performing. He called everyone, all the one devatas he called, but not Shiva. Reason is he had too much of pride, arrogance, anger. He was very, very tough and ignorant. He did not know who Lord Shiva is. There are many people who talk low about Lord Shiva. No way. He is the topmost Vaishnava. No one can talk low about him. Lord Shiva is not just a normal god. He is very, very, very powerful. He is very, very important and is the topmost. So what happens? This news goes to Parvati, yeah, the wife of Lord Shiva. And what happens? She will tell, let's go. My father is doing this yagna. Let's go. So Lord Shiva advises her, no, 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 where we are not been invited, we should not go. But father, yeah, the mother's home, ladies will like, we'll go. It's okay, my father might have by chance, forgotten, let's go. But Lord Shiva will not go, and he'll allow Ma to go. What happened when she went there? She was not welcomed by anyone. Her father did not welcome her even after seeing her. She got very angry. This is the place where my husband was not respected, and even though my husband said me not to go, I came. So she felt very, very sad and she falls into the fire. Yeah. And hearing this, the Lord got very, very angry and he came rushing. And the demons who are the followers of the Lord, yeah, they started killing everyone there, the entire army. Yeah, and Lord Shiva's Rudra Rupa was there, and they chopped the Prajapati's neck. And you can see here, when the Lord calmed down, they gave the goat head for Prajapati. Yes, goat head for Prajapati. Even though you are in heavenly planets, if you have these demonic characters, you will be punished. Yeah, even if you go to the heavenly planets, you do wrong, you will be coming back to the world. We all were with Krishna in Goloka Vrindavan, and we desired to come to this material world. We wanted to leave Krishna and come, and Krishna gave us the chance. You don't have desire, you will be with him. You'll be with him. Very simple. You have anything to please yourself. You want you to become the superior. You want you to be served by everyone. Then yes, Krishna has made us all these arrangements. That is why we have all these different worlds. If you don't do any sins, then we'll never have hellish planets. If you don't have desires, then we'll never have this material world. We'll all go back to Krishna and we'll be very, very happy. Yes, so you should never see anyone low. You should respect all. Lord Shiva should be highly respected. Yeah, it's a very, very important God. Yeah, yes, yes, Teju Mataji.
तानहं द्विषतः क्रूरान् संसारेषु नराधमान् क्षिपाम्यजस्रमशुभान् आसुरीष्वेव योनिषु. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So those who are envious and mischievous, who are the lowest among men, are cast by me into the ocean of material existence, into various demonic species of life. Many would ask the question, Mataji, we are all kids of Krishna, no? How can he be partial like this? Yeah. So if you're seen, if a kid is fallen ill, mother wants the kid to recover from that illness, isn't it? She will take the kid to the hospital. They might give you the medicine which is really not good. They'll put you in the hospital. They might give you very, very hurting, painful injection. Yeah, so mother will not say, no, 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 don't give injection to my kid, don't give any medicine, still you cure it. It's not possible, isn't it? Similarly, when Krishna's kids, they do wrong, he punishes them. How? They will be sent to this ocean of material existence, into various demonic species of life. Similarly, if you remember Jaya Vijaya, who were the doorkeepers of Vaikunta, they are the Lord's kids only. Yeah, they were serving in Vaikunta, and they could not recognize the four Kumaras of Brahma. Yeah, so what happened? They were punished. Yeah, they were cursed by the four Kumaras, and they had to take up demonic life, coming to this material world. Similarly, Chitraketu story also we heard, isn't it? Even though he was in heavenly planets, what he did, he behaved badly and he was cursed by Ma Parvati, so he came down. Same way we all have come down. Attaining repeated birth amongst the species of demonic life, such person can never approach me. So these group of people who are demonic in nature, they cannot understand Krishna. They cannot understand Krishna at all. It's very difficult because they are having this demonic nature. So they will be envious of the Lord. Then how can he approach Krishna? Not possible. Gradually, they sink down to the most abominable type of existence. Most abominable type of existence. Yes, Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
त्रिविधं नरकस्येदं द्वारं नाशनमात्मनः कामक्रोधस्तथा लोभः तस्मादेतत्त्रयं त्यजेत्. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So beautiful shloka here. There are 3 gates leading to this hell: lust, anger, and greed. That's all. If you have lust, if you have anger, if you have greed, then done. There, your destination is fixed. Where? To the hell. These are the 3 gates. If you have any one of this character, you will surely go to hell. No doubt in that. Every sane man should give these up. Means we all have it. We all have this characteristics. We need to give it up, for they lead to the degradation of soul. Yeah, so you can see people around us, the many of them, yeah, including all the living entities, they all have anger, greed, lust, all is there, or one or the other is there. Yeah, so the hell is crowded, it's a very long queue. Why you want to go to that long queue, struggle, and then go and enjoy the pain? Yeah, come towards this side. Will you go for heaven? Do we have a plan to go to heavenly planets? Anyone has plan? No? All have planned to go to hellish planet only?
No,
No.
Mataji, Goloka Vrindavan.
Yeah, the devotees of
We
the
can
Lord.
try.
Yes, the devotees of the Lord, they don't want to go to hellish planets also. They don't want to go to heavenly planet also. They don't want to take birth again on this material world also. What they want, any life they get, they just want a chance to serve Krishna. That is what in Hare Krishna Mahamantra, the meaning is we are calling out Krishna. Like, the baby who has lost his path, how the baby cries, Mama, 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 like that. We are crying out for Krishna. Hey Krishna, oh, the energy of Krishna, please give me a chance to serve you. Yeah, because if you desire to go to Krishna Golaka Vrindavan, that is also a desire, isn't it? We should have only the chance to serve him, and once the right time comes, he'll take us. Yes, we should not be worrying about going to hell, heavenly planets, or coming back to this earth. So please note, you don't have lust, anger, and greed. Yeah, we might reduce greed, lust also some places. Yeah, but anger, yes, we all have these three things. We all of us have it. Only thing is we have to slowly control it, and one right time you should be able to give it up. By practice, it's possible. Yeah, so what is happening? We are pulled down to the material world. Why? We have attachment, pride, false prestige, ignorance, greed, lust, envy, anger. So this is all pulling us down to the material world. The man who has escaped these three gates of hell, lust, anger, and greed, O son of Kunti, performs acts conducive to self realization and thus gradually attains the supreme destination. So, what you should do? You should go upwards. We are all going downwards because we are having these characteristics, demonic characteristics. So you should develop divine characteristics to go upwards by acceptance of a spiritual master, study of Veda, doing austerity, sense control, gain the spiritual knowledge, and you will for sure reach Krishna. So you decide whether you want to come down like this or you want to go up. So you know what is the path, what are the things which are going to lead us to the material world, and what things will lead us to the Krishna, Goloka Vrindavan. Yes, yes, Teju Mataji.
Adi.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. यशास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारतः न स सिद्धिमवाप्नोति न सुखं न पराङ्गतिम्.
Hare Krishna. But he who discards scriptural injunctions and acts according to his own whims attains neither perfection nor happiness nor the supreme destination. Yes, so we are following the scriptures. What the sampradaya we have, no? Guru Parampara, the disciplic succession. Whatever Krishna said, yeah, to Brahma, Brahma said that to Narada Muni. Narada Muni said to his disciple. Then like that it came after one guru to other guru, acharyas, like that it has come to us. So we are all following what is given in the scriptures. Yeah, this is the instruction from the God. So Krishna is telling, but he who discards scriptural injunctions and acts according to his own whims, Yeah, they don't have no knowledge why we are chanting. They don't have the knowledge why you should get up in Brahma Muhurta. They don't have a knowledge why you should take bath, why you should not eat meat, why you should not have illicit sex, why you should not gamble, why should you not take, toxic things. No, they don't have any knowledge. I will do. It will keep me happy. I will do. There is nothing wrong. Yeah. So what happens? They neither attain perfection. They'll never see happiness. For sure, they will not go to Krishna, the supreme destination. Param gatim, na siddhim, na sukham, na param gatim. They won't get the supreme destination. Yes, Chitra Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
तस्मात् शास्त्रं प्रमाणं ते कार्याकार्यव्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुम् इहार्हसि.
Hare Krishna. So one should understand what is duty and what is not duty. Yeah, you have to know that. Karya, akarya. Karya means the duty which you should do. Akarya means the duty which should not do. How will you come to know? By the regulations of the scriptures. So, as I have explained to you, a scientist invention will be like, authorized by a group of people who are having the power to authorize it, the knowledge to authorize it. Similarly, the scriptures what we have, it has been authorized by the gurus, acharyas, rishi munis from our seniors. Yeah, that is why we have this guru parampara, disciplic succession. Yeah, so by that we should know what is our duty. So that from that itself we came to know in the Kali Yuga, the yagna is chanting Hare Krishna Nama. Yeah, chanting is very important. Yeah, if you are in Satya Yuga, we would have sat down and meditate on the Lord. Yeah, but we are not in Satya Yuga. You think, okay, I'll sit and meditate on the Lord. Then we are not obeying the scriptures. Yes, then we become demons. Yeah, knowing such rules and regulations, one should act so that he may gradually be elevated. So two things are there. First thing is you should know the rules, and regulations. The second thing is one should act. Just knowing the rules is not going to help you. There are people who read Bhagavad Gita so nicely. There are people who chant the shloka of Bhagavad Gita like anything. They memorize chapter to chapter, but they don't follow anything. One thing they might have not understood, other thing they won't follow. It's of no use. It's of no use. It's like same thing. You're chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. You're not fixing your mind on whatever you're chanting. You're simply, for name's sake, just chanting. See, the real process which I've already discussed with you, Prabhupada says us, you should chant and you should hear. This is the complete process. Whatever you're chanting, you should hear. That is the right way of chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. You're simply chanting, but someone is sitting next to you. It could be a bird, it could be a person, it could be anything. Anything. If they hear attentively, they will get delivered to Krishna. Yeah, you are chanting, you will not get delivered because you are not concentrating. Yeah, so you need to act. Gradually you will be elevated. Yes, so please, when you're chanting, please hear it. When you read Bhagavad Gita, see, it's very difficult. Whatever Krishna has said, difficult for all of us to follow at once, isn't it? We are so attached to this material world, but slowly we can do. That is why Krishna is giving this word, may gradually be elevated. Slowly, one by one, step by. Krishna knows our condition. He knows what is happening, but what he wants us to try. Yeah, just make an effort, little effort. Krishna, I want to chant, and you just chant one round. Enough. He knows you are in difficulty. He knows you don't have time, but what he wants your effort to be seen. Yes, you see some people will come to a home, they will tell, Ma, do you want coffee? You want tea? You keep them asking, you keep asking them some things, right? They'll say, no, 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 no. But what you will do, no, 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 we know that you will come. We have prepared the snacks for you. We have prepared all these things. Please have. They will be pleased. Oh, you took so much effort to please us. I'm really happy. Thank you so much, right? Even though you are occupied, if someone is going to come and you'll serve them, they'll feel happy. That is what Krishna wants from us. With love, please put your effort. Yeah, please put effort to the maximum. Krishna will accept it. Yeah, that is what we all have to do. In the next chapter, Arjuna will ask this question: what will happen to the people who do not follow the rules and regulation given in the scriptures? He'll ask this question. So you ask yourself a question: what is the right time to start the devotional surveys? Yeah, and check out why, because Prahlad Maharaj had started even before birth. So we are in different stages right now. If you are not yet started, please start. Anyone can tell me what are the 9 process of devotional service? What are the 9 process?
Mataji. Archanam, Vandanam,
Sravanam, पहले
Archanam,
Sravanam.
Vandanam, Padasevanam, Sakhyam,
First is Sravanam.
Dasyam.
Dasyam, Padasevanam, I told, right?
Atmanibedanam.
Yes, Chitra Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. You can leave, Mataji. Happy journey. Hari Bol.
Hare
Yes,
Krishna,
Mataji.
Mataji.
You left Hari Bol, Mataji. Have a safe journey, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hari Bol. Yes, wonderful. You all answered it. Yes. So Shravanam is the first one. Kirtanam, Smaranam means Vishnu Smaranam. Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmanivedanam. Atmanivedanam for us would be really difficult, isn't it? To start with Shravanam, you are hearing. So listen to Namanishta Prabhu's Bhagavatam class morning. Evening you are listening to us about Bhagavad Gita. Yeah. Yes, you do chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. You do Kirtan, sing the Hare Krishna Mahamantra with your family. Just relax for 15 minutes or 10 minutes in front of God. Just chant same Hare Krishna Mahamantra. The Hare Krishna Mahamantra, if you tell for yourself and you hear, it is chanting. If you sing with your friends, with the kartal, with your family and dance, that itself is Kirtan. Yeah. And you always think of Krishna. Yeah. Slowly, one by one, we can practice. Some of them would have been started Archanam, some will be doing Vandanam. Difficult to go to Dasyam, Sakyam and Atmanivadanam, but slowly we can go there. But put an effort to start. At least Ravanam, Kirtanam and Smaranam, one by one. We all can achieve Krishna and we can develop the divine characteristics and try to bring down the demonic characteristics. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. So by this, I'm finishing today's chapter. Any doubts? No doubts? What do you people think? Which characteristics you have more of? Demonic or divine? Be truthful.
Mix of both, I can
It's
say.
mix of both.
No one has little more of demonic character? No one? No one?
Anger,
Why you
yes.
don't have it? Sorry, Mataji?
Anger.
Anger.
Anger, yes.
Yes,
See,
Mataji, anger is
yeah.
the only thing difficult to
That is
control.
only the problem. That is only the problem. We'll get simply angry. Yeah. Little bit also, like that will go, isn't it? Yes, yes, yes. That's true. That's true. I also had a lot of anger issues.
Actually, the moment we get angry, next moment I start repenting. Arey, ye to bekar ho gaya. Why did I do that? I could have reduced it. So much of practice I did, but at the very moment I forget.
Hari
And next moment I again reconcile. Arey, no, I should not have done this. Okay, next time I will do. Next time, and that next time never comes.
Never comes. Yes, Prabhuji. Now you know if you have anger, where we will go. So because at least for that we need to bring it down. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
No, we know all the ways. Like we keep hearing a lot of things how to bring down the anger, but when we are in that moment, it is very difficult to remember those things and act accordingly.
Exactly. Yes, Mataji. Like as we know, if we put our hand in fire, it will burn and we will get pain. Similarly, we should also remember that when we have this anger, then we'll go for hell for sure because that is a very important gate. Yeah, it is already opened for us. We are going to jump to the hell only if we have. So when you become conscious about it, slowly will reduce, Mataji. Yeah, it will reduce. Hare
Right.
Krishna. Welcome, Kala Mataji. Hare Krishna, Ashita Mataji, thank you. Kala Mataji, demonic nature more than divine. See, that's a very good characteristics. See, first of all, you should know what you are. Yeah. When you don't find out what is the problem, how do you find out a solution for that, isn't it? So please sit down and tomorrow's and day after tomorrow's chapters are same like that. Will help you to know in what level you are or what condition you are. Yeah. And once you know what's the problem in you, what you have to improve, what you have to suppress, it becomes easy for us. And if you don't know the problem, what will you work on it, isn't it? I'm very proud that you people are accepting that you have demonic nature. Yeah, there are many people, they say even though they're having anger issue, they'll give a reason why they get anger, but they'll never accept that something wrong in them. Yeah, I'm very proud of you, Ashita Mataji.
And
Yes, sometimes yes, ignorance.
just to add one more thing,
Hmm.
Mataji, that in the
Uh,
sloka number 9,
huh.
Prabhavantu Karmanaha Khyaya Jagato Hitaha, that demonic persons, they are only able to destroy the world. And
Yeah.
same situation, actually, same feeling came to Robert Oppenheimer, who designed the atom bomb of Manhattan Project after the bomb was first thrown near New York on July
Yes.
16, 1945. He felt
Yes.
that actually this is and also he recited this particular sloka this in chapter 11.
Uh-huh.
Kalosmi lokakkhaya krut prabuddho lokan samahattu miha prabuddha. That I am that destroyer of this entire universe.
Yes.
Even they person like scientists, they have also that demonic feelings.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, Prabhuji.
yes.
Yes, Prabhuji. That's a beautiful thought. But what is the use? At last, everything was destroyed, isn't it? Yeah. So we need to know that. See, if you cannot do anything good, if you cannot do anything good, better keep silent than doing anything bad. Yeah. If you cannot say something good to the person, if your words are of no use to a person, better not to talk. Yeah. Yes. If you cannot praise a person, don't hurt them. Yeah, this is what we need to follow slowly. Small steps when you put will develop it. Yeah, we know that we should not do wrong and you're doing wrong. See, there is like very important things we should know. Knowingly, if you do something wrong, punishment is there. High punishment. Unknowingly, if you do, chances are there you will be forgiven. But knowingly, if you do, no way. Yeah, punishment will be doubled or tripled. It will be more. So we need to be very careful about it. Yeah, slowly we have to reduce these demonic characteristics, and meanwhile you have to slowly gradually develop the divine characteristics. Yeah, keep on practicing little bit and little bit, you will come. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Hare Bol,
Mataji,
Mataji.
I had a doubt, Mataji,
Yes,
uh,
Kamal Mataji.
from many years and all this.
Many years. Okay.
Mataji, we've heard that Kshatriyas consume meat.
Mm.
So my first question is like, if that is true, then wouldn't that be considered as one of the four, sins, or
Yes.
one of the four
Yes.
things?
Yes, Mataji. You're
And
absolutely
then,
right. Mm.
but then, how do we? Then will they not be able to attain, Lord's blessings, or once
Yes. So Krishna told Arjuna in this chapter, don't worry, Arjuna,
they
you
follow
belong to
Lord Krishna,
divine nature.
obviously.
No, no, Krishna said to Arjuna, don't worry, Arjuna, you are having the divine characteristics. So it means that Arjuna being Kshatriya, he was not eating meat. Yeah. I didn't come across Mataji according to my knowledge, whatever I've read till now. I've never come across such cases where the devotees of the Lord have taken it up. Yeah. So you cannot put everyone at one place. Like you cannot, yeah, like for example, if one female does wrong, one female behaves badly, you cannot tell all females are like this. You got
Right,
it?
right,
Yeah.
correct, correct.
It's not right, isn't it? If one person of a religion does something, you cannot tell the whole religion is bad. Similarly, there might be, for example, you take Kamsa. He's a Kshatriya, but what he did, all bad things. So it doesn't mean all Kshatriyas are bad. Yeah, I don't know each and every Kshatriya. I don't know what they did, but no. When it comes to the Lord devotees, if you take Ambarisha Maharaj, he was also Kshatriya, isn't it? We discussed his story. Yeah, he was doing Ekadashi. Then how can he eat, the non-vegetarian food? Not possible. Yeah. So I know about the devotees. I don't know all Kshatriyas. If they do it, then can't Mataji. Because according to Krishna's explanation in this chapter, no. Yeah. They should be equal to all living entities, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes.
Mataji. But
Yeah.
from my personal experience, if I may ask, one who had been consuming meat and now after getting a little bit of knowledge of Lord Krishna and how to serve him and follow his footsteps, if we definitely give up the meat and all the other three for sure, will we be able to, get the blessings of Lord Krishna and yeah, I don't know, go look up Vrindavan though the wish is
For
there.
sure, Mataji. For sure, 100% you will get. For example, you take Srila Prabhupada when he went to New York, who were his students who were coming to the class of Bhagavad Gita? They were very high, they were doing drugs. Yeah, they were called hippies. Completely, they don't know. They were completely in illicit sex. They were having always intoxication, gambling. Yeah, they were eating meat and all. They all are now doing Hare Krishna Mahamantra. They are preaching, going to all the places and all. Yeah, and you take me. Was purely non-vegetarian, not vegetarian, purely non-vegetarian. And past from 10 years, even my family sits around me and eats. I don't feel like eating at all. And yes, Mataji, Krishna has said, because of our, karma, yeah, karma phalas, we might be doing one or the other things. I told you yesterday the story of, Valmiki. He was killing people, right? And of course, he would be eating a non-vegetarian and all. Yeah, we all are. We are doing one or the other abominable activities. Krishna has said, anyone can take up Krishna consciousness. Once he comes to know who I am, then he is having all the knowledge and he will be swiftly delivered. So you have, but you come to Krishna consciousness, you're doing some service, again you go and do all these things which Krishna has said you not to do, then you have fallen again, gone. So Ajamila's story is an example for us. Ajamila was a Brahmana. He was doing all good things, but he got attracted to the prostitute.
The
So he was
prostitutes.
fallen. Yeah. And because he did the devotional service, because of the pala of that, he named his son as Narayana. Just
Narayana.
calling his name, Krishna gave an opportunity. Same like that, Mataji. Once you get into Krishna consciousness, Krishna will not leave you. You go running, he'll pull you back. Yeah, it's happened. We all have personally experienced it. Yeah, every time we'll feel, no, ma, this is not for me. Because see, we are in this material world, isn't it? Yeah,
Yes,
especially
Mataji.
some of us who are out of India and we are not associated with devotees so much. Sometimes we'll get attracted to the material world, or we'll feel what we are doing, we are wasting so much things, and you cannot adjust to the material world in most of the cases. You'll try to give up, but Krishna will pull us back. He'll pull more stronger. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Don't worry, Mataji. That is why I told you people, no, whatever condition you are, whether you are eating non-veg, you are taking drugs, anything, any condition. Yeah, even though you are a criminal, no problem. take up God's name, just chant. Forget about everything. Whatever religion you are, whether you're male, female, whether you're young, you're old, you have disease, you're on the deathbed, whatever condition, you can chant. You're allowed. Krishna is forgiving all of us. He's ready to accept us.
Yes,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hari Bol Mataji. Thank you, Revati Mataji. Hari Bol. Any more questions? Okay. So no questions. Then we'll all meet tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 17th chapter. The first important thing for us to surrender to Krishna is faith. Okay. Krishna is going to tell us about the division of faith tomorrow. Yeah. What is faith? What are the divisions of faith? Very, very important. Because the first step for us to do devotional service is to have faith in Krishna. And tomorrow's chapter will help us to develop this thing. Yes. So let's all meet tomorrow. 17th chapter. So 2 more days. Don't miss. You are really doing good attending all these classes. Just hold on, just 2 classes. Later on, you can go for level 2, which will be only on weekends. Yeah. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, I was checking that weekends one, the one that you mentioned to join, which has the exams, right? That's on Monday, Tuesday,
Yes.
Mataji, but it's not on weekend.
Yes,
No, no,
Mataji.
no.
Level 2. Level 2
There
English
are
will
different.
be Monday and Tuesday, right, Mataji? Because that's what I got the notification as.
There are different batches. Let me check it and come back to you, okay?
Sure,
I'm really
Mataji.
sorry. I have no idea about it.
Yeah.
But two, right,
So,
Mataji? There was one with exam and one was without exam. You recommended the
Pre
exam one.
Bhakti
Right.
Shastri.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
Pre
the
Bhakti
one
Shastri.
without exam is on a Saturday, on a weekend. But
Correct.
Oh,
yeah.
One with exam, yes, it's Monday, Tuesday, 7 p.m., right, Mataji?
Yeah,
Yeah.
7
and then
p.m.
yeah,
Okay.
and I'm traveling
Let me.
from office, so it'll become difficult for me,
I know,
Mataji.
Mataji. I know. Let me check it out, Mataji. Let me check it out and let you know why only one timings or is there any other timings. Yeah. Hare Krishna. I'll make sure I'll get you. I'll ask Chitra Mataji and tomorrow Chitra Mataji will not come. Okay, I'll make sure I'll discuss with the admins and let you know. Okay, everyone. Then we'll all meet tomorrow for the chapter number 17. Yes, Vancha Kalpatarubhyasya Kripa Sindhu Vaya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna.